Integrating AI into creative fields like filmmaking or novel writing isn't as simple as it might seem. Sure, you input data from past works hoping the algorithm gets human emotions and culture just right. But here's the catch. While algorithms are great at spotting patterns in big datasets, they struggle with emotional depth and subtle cultural contexts. Take your favorite show deciding to use AI based on audience preferences for new episodes. The result: predictable content that misses what made earlier narratives compelling, oversimplified themes or abrupt scene transitions, lacking originality and coherence. This happens because no matter how advanced an algorithm is, it can't fully understand complex human emotions just by analyzing data. Another issue: unnatural theme repetition, where characters change suddenly without logical progression in their story arcs. Scenes might also transition abruptly, breaking the emotional consistency that holds a narrative together throughout episodes or chapters. These problems arise from algorithms' inability to grasp cultural subtleties and nuanced experiences. Experienced creators know these challenges well when integrating AI into creative processes. Despite rapid advancements in machine learning for narratives across media forms, significant hurdles remain regarding perpetuating biases through untested automated tools. To address this effectively, thorough testing phases involving diverse human reviewers become essential early on during development stages. By insisting on rigorous validation steps before final products are impacted negatively, we ensure that despite technological advances, creative works maintain